This is my sweet potato mound. It's a bit of a hot mess right now. This is what happens when you don't have time to tend to your garden or your garden projects. I started out with 25 sweet potato slips, and you can barely see what's left. I think I have maybe about half that, but you can see where the grass and the weeds are trying to take over. And the problem is the deer came in and ate them, so I will be working on this today. I'm going to add coffee grounds, which I've already started to do. I definitely have to get these weeds out of here, and these are all slips that I grew from these two sweet potatoes in here. All these are going in here because I've already pulled out the weeds in the center. I'm going to plant these in the center and a little bit on the sides, get rid of this grass. I'm going to add some of this bone meal, and I also have coffee grounds. Coffee grounds I've already added. I'm going to add some more, and some wood ash. I have a little bit of that left. This thing needs help. The problem is, we're now into August, and these babies don't like the cold. So I'm racing against time at this point. I'm hoping to get this rebedded, get back up to full strength, and able to get a decent harvest out of this before the cold hits. My family loves sweet potatoes, and so do I. The problem is, I'm going to have to come out here every night and put this cover on, which is a pain in the behind, but you do what you got to do in order to keep the deers and the animals out, and then come out and take it off in the morning. So that's the game plan. Let me get to it. I'm the Frugal Gardener. Catch you guys on the next video.